On 29th March 2022, Aitc'S leader, MLA of Rangsakuna West Garo Hills Zenith Sangma, accompanied by legislator of Southwest Garo Hills Salmanpara Constituency, Winnerson D Sangma, members of the Garo Students Union, traditional heads and villagers had visited and organized a public gathering at Maikhuli Village in Ri Bhoi District to discuss on the recent protests against the handing over of some parts of the state's Village Fisheries Pond of the Maikhuli Village to Assam. At the same time, Zenith Sangma also visited some parts of Barapathar and Iongkhuli Areas as well. Zenith Sangma, while speaking to media persons, said that the residents of the area have been crying for help while the people of Assam have been disturbing them from time to time. He added that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma had already signed the Memorandum of Understanding with the government of Assam without taking the consent of the people.
And we have come to know that people residing in this area, they are not getting any protection. And with the decision of the government, which was mutually agreed by the Meghalaya government and the Assam government, without taking the people of these localities into confidence, they have signed the MOU, and both the chief ministers of both the states, they have sent the MOU to the government of India, and today probably the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya jointly meeting with the Union Home Minister, and they will get some settlement out there. Now their apprehension is that maybe in this ongoing parliamentary session they will enact this, and maybe they are going to lose their land. That is the thing. So now, on the floor of the House in the just concluded budget session, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya assured that by hearing the will of the people, what is their desire, what they want, whether they want to be part of Meghalaya or part of Assam, by hearing their voice, then only we are deciding, and whatever the people have agreed, accordingly we are acting upon. But when we come to the ground zero, we could see that people residing in this locality, they are completely against the decision of parting this area, the portion of this area.
It may be mentioned that people living in the border areas of Maikhuli, Barapathar and Iongkhuli villages include the Khasis of Raj Marwet, the Garos, the Boros, the Nepalis, the Nagas and other tribes who expressed their feeling of security as residents of Meghalaya.